Hello once again, everyone. So far in our discussion, we have covered many aspects. In the first module, we discussed why do we need IoT? Why is it so prevalent in today's time? Why is it so ubiquitous? What are the basic components of IoT? What are the disadvantages and advantages of IoT? And what are the broad scale applications of IoT? In the second module, we discussed upon the basic hardware of IoT. What are different microcontrollers? What are the different types of microcontrollers that should be considered when it comes to an IoT system? We looked briefly upon what Arduino is, what ESP is, and then we talked quite at length on what different kinds of sensors are and which sensors are important for our applications. In this particular module, we look into the software aspect of IoT. In today's technological era, as an engineer or as any person related to a technical field, usually software is unavoidable. Every field, every domain has some kind of software involved in it. And hence, in the same fashion, IoT also has a big chunk of its domain dedicated to software. So we have to take this discussion and we have to dedicate this particular module completely on the software aspects of IoT. So let's again structure out our plan of study so that we can move in a smooth way. So what are the contents of this particular module? Number one, what is Arduino IDE? Number two, what is a sketch of Arduino IDE? Number three, what is the function of a sketch and what do we understand by the term sketch? Number four, what are standard libraries? Number five, basic commands required in order to operate an Arduino IDE. Then, what is the Blink app? What is ThinkSpeak? And what is IFTTT? The full form of IFTTT is if this, then that.